you dancing?
Dance, dance. Dance, dance. Dance, dance, Kenzie. Dance, dance.
When Dad comes back, you want us to fix your screen quick?
He's done a lot today. He's got a few more days.
It's real easy.
It's none later.
You just plug
No,
that black.
hopping and a bopping and singing his song. Can you grab that? It's probably Mom. Dance, dance! Spin, spin!
What do you want from a gas station besides Miller Lite?
They don't have Miller Lite?
You don't have it there? Okay.
Hey, what's up? Root beer. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I need at least 2 of them. Okay, thanks, bye.
Yeah. Maybe I'll find another one, but it's right in here.
Hey Carly, can you?
Don't let it blow.
Hey Carly, can you record me doing basketball?
Uh-huh.
You have to use the poster.
Uh-oh.
You got ball too. You got ball too.
Okay, Riley, you're on. Do your stuff. Whoa! You okay? Okay, Kenzie, you're up.
When am I gonna be up?
Yeah, that's okay. We know them.
I'll do basketball.
Quit kicking!
I'll be basketball and soccer.
Quit kicking, Miss Kenzie! The lion sleeps tonight.